I converted this Mustang about 17 years ago to a standard. Loved it. It was like getting a brand new car. As you can see though, one of the challenges is if I'm sitting down properly, to be able to shift, it is very far away. So let's look at that again. Basically, hand on the wheel, nice spot, shoulders right against, flush against the seat. I'm in neutral, I'm okay. I'm shifting through the gears. You see I have to pull off for first, second I'm fine. Now the trick is this, I'm revving really quickly, I go to third. If I either throw it with my finger, which is not the way to do it, essentially I have to come off to be able to get into third properly. And when you're feeling G's, you might be pushed back in your seat. After experiencing the great fitment of the roof, the one-piece roof, I contacted Mustangs to Fear as I noticed they had a shifter to be able to apparently fix that issue. So I'm looking forward to installing this item and I'll let you know how it goes. Let me show you why I am excited. So I have a console, so I removed the panel to have access to this point. You may not, which makes it really, really easy. But if you look down, it is simply removing 2 bolts. So we'll just remove the 2 bolts and I'll get back to you at the final step. And unbolt the last part. There we go, the old shifter being removed. I want to show you the comparison between the 2 items. One is the original on the top. This was the bolt that was used. As you can see, there's plenty of bolt left to be able to attach to the actual shifter. However, once I put the bolt that I had, there is not much bolt to purchase into the shifter. So I quickly went to the hardware store and got a new unit, and for extra measure, because it's going to be covered by the shifter, I put a locking bolt on the end. As is always the case with almost every bolt, hand start it and only use the wrench when you need it. Perfect. And then I put the locking bolt on the other side. Now, not everyone needs to do this. This is extra safe. I chose to do it. You make your own decisions. Look at the size difference on this. One thing you should know, it's a 12 by 1.75 millimeter thread. So this old ball would not fit on the new shifter. So you have to look up and get a 12 by 1.75 millimeter ball. Mustangs to Fear has one, and that's what you see here. And you can see the size difference. So now you can see with my hand over the shifter, I can now move it through all the gears, and my shoulder is still fully engaged with my seat. So I can just concentrate on going 0 to 60. It's time to test this one out. Love the feel of the shifter knob in my hand. Would not have expected this size. It feels great. Beautiful. Just beautiful shifting. Ford Mustangs to fear. Another great product. I hope you enjoyed the instructional video. I certainly enjoy the feel of the shifter now. It actually feels a lot safer that I'm not pulling my shoulder and twisting my body as I'm shifting through the gears. Great job, another great product.